We got this in today. We're gonna try it out very quickly. Wow, I don't even know what this is.
It's for the.
Oh, an actual ring you can put on it. Oh, that's a really cool idea. I didn't think of that. So I guess this is a wire tie so you can hang it up. And I don't know, I guess
No,
it's
this
clean.
is not a wire tie. See, it's also a size.
Oh, wow. So it's a combination of three. So this will do rings, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this will measure your rings and your ring size. So you can know what size your ring is. This is a shortcut, I guess, right?
I'm not really sure, but I guess you would try,
You
put that
put it
around.
around your finger like this and test it. And
Does it unclip?
you get, yeah, it doesn't, yeah, I guess you do this and then you can take it off and get an idea of right there. That's the size where the arrow goes. Pretty cool. And then this one, this is the one I was looking forward to the most. A bunch of little rings with the little connection here. So,
I guess
son,
this one's more portable though.
you want to try which is your ring? Which one you're gonna use? Your left ring finger? No. You're gonna use your index finger? Okay. So let me see if I get it correct. Oh, almost.
What size up? Should do just in case.
Okay. Cool. So you are. What size is that? That is 6. So 6 or 9? Let me see what the next one is so we get an idea. No, that's wrong. Wait, I don't know. You know how to do ring sizes?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. This is 8.
Can I see?
Okay, this is the one he sized correctly.
Can I see?
Close to clean.
Yeah, that's 9. Cause this will.
It is 9. Oh, because it's 8, and then is the other one 7?
No, 9 and a half.
Oh,
Wait,
it's
hold on a
half.
second. Let me double check. And 10, yes.
Yeah, it'd be like,
So it's the same size there?
um,
So it's 9, not
I'll
6.
put it to a 9.
That's not 6 because it's right next to 10. 10 and a half.
Okay. So are you that size on the? So he's confirming here, just to double check, and he's coming out with.
Like a 9.
So you're coming out with a 9.
I mean, I feel like I even squeeze into an 8. What's an 8?
9. You don't want to do 8 because if your fingers swell up or anything for any reason, you won't be able to get that ring off.
I have to get the janitor at the hospital to
Oh,
take
yeah,
it
so
off.
this is right. I'm about-
Anybody have a ring I could try?
Oh, okay. Okay.
What even is this?
So this is to actually measure the ring.
Why would you even need this?
When you're buying a ring in the jewelry store, they ask you
No,
for your
why do you need? Why do we need this?
for my son's ring that he's gonna buy. He wants a ring.
Okay, but why do you need to buy this whole thing?
Hey, that's the way it comes, and
I have
that's
this
where you
big
measure.
cocktail ring I want to offer for someone, but I don't know what size to tell
Okay.
them. This would be cool.
But it's, oh, hold on one moment. Hold on one moment. So what side do you think is both the same?
So one may be women's and the other one may be men's. Let me see. U.S. So no, this may be from a different country on this side, or based on centimeters. Yeah. So U.S. This would be a size. I'm not sure where that falls right there.
You know, Dad,
7.5. Maybe that's like
Cool. I guess you could turn it on like that.
yeah, that would make sense.
Right?
Oh, so it's more than a 7.5. It's almost an 8.
Dad, you need.
Let me see. Yeah, I have to take the thing out. Oh, it's like an 8. Yeah, it's right over the 8.
No wonder it's so big.
That's pretty cool. So this is. Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay. I think this is big.
So
I'm assuming it.
this is the ring measurer. I guess that's all it could be used for, right? I guess what's this for? To clean the rings and stuff. And then you can confirm the ring sizes with. Let me just show this again. With this, and this. Hold on one moment. Let me just end the video showing everything that comes in it. So we did my son's ring size, and you are in 8. We've confirmed.
A 9.
A 9. I'm sorry. This is everything that it comes with inside. It's a pretty cool package. $6.
Oh, that's a great deal.
$6 for all this. That was pretty cool, and I think it's just a nice thing just to have around.
You can
when
also
you
bring
need
it
it.
with you places and ask people you want to get size.
Yeah, I guess so.
You
Maybe
can
we
bring the
could-
portable one.
We can start a business. Ring sizes are us. Right? What do you think, guys? Would you do it?
I would.
All right. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye now.
Bye.
Bye.